Right. Today's video is all about how to change the preload on the OEM suspensions on Interceptor. Don't worry, changing this on other models is exactly the same. Let's get to it. Preload is how much the spring is already compressed when your bike is stationary. Open your side panel to access the toolkit. To change the preload, you will need a specific tool from your toolkit. Royal Enfield already provides this. It is this one right here. This crescent moon looking tool, which is also known as a C-spanner, is a specialized tool only used for adjusting motorcycle suspensions. It is C-shaped, obviously, and has a little hook at the end of it that provides secure grip for applying torque. Notice the grooves on the suspensions? These are the points on which you can set the preload to. There are only 5 points. The lowest is on the softest setting, and the highest one is the stiffest. And the C-spanner attaches here, on these grooves. Moving it counterclockwise will increase the preload, and moving it clockwise will decrease. Sometimes it will take some effort to adjust the preload initially due to dust settling around the area. A quick spray of WD-40 will solve that. Please exercise caution while doing this, as chances are it can slip if the force applied is not at the correct angle. Increasing the preload will make the suspensions stiffer, and your bike will feel comfortable if you had a pillion on it or if you have luggage on it. Decreasing the preload on the suspension makes the ride softer and allows the suspension to compress more easily. This can improve comfort for solo rides, but may also increase the risk of bottoming out in case there is too much weight on the rear suspension. I usually like to keep it somewhere at level 2. If I have a pillion on it, I will increase it by 1. I hope you found this video useful and are now able to set preload on your suspensions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Ride safe, and I will see you in the next one. Sri out.